Oh no. That's a new Brock 05 VP.
It's here!
Oh
my god!
Mang Mang!
Have a go at this one!
In today's video, we put a diff into a race car.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright, welcome back to Clooney Garage. Frankie, what you got yourself here?
Well, this is the diff you're going to use in the 05 Commodore.
Oh.
It's got a spool now.
Oh my god.
So not just the open centre.
No, can't quite see the spool, but apparently there's locked goodness inside, Frankie.
That's right.
Oh,
if one
geez.
wheel turns, the other wheel's going to turn exactly the same.
Frankie, are you sure you've got a locked diff?
Well, there's no slop in those ones, is it?
Oh.
Which is great. What we want.
No.
You've got nice new pretty bushes here.
Oh, okay. Bit of white line action, Frankie.
Bearings and seals. And
Oh, M&A Engineering in Mitchell and Canberra, Frankie. They are the diff specialists.
good blokes, aren't they?
Very good blokes. They've built many diffs for you and me over the years, and they've come to the party again, young Frankie. So longer wheel studs for your Walkinshaw wheels. Full rebuild diff. We're not going to know ourselves, and no welded diff action in an AU Falcon doing burnouts, Frankie.
Yeah. It works just as good.
Right. Okay. And what you got yourself in here? A bit of old and new.
Well, this is what the car came out with,
Oh.
which is fine. Works just great for
Right.
the family sedan.
Upper trailing
But
arm.
not good enough for you, is it, Fred?
No.
So
Right.
you wanted this one, and Chubby sent you
Oh.
one of these nice poly bushes, all adjustable. So look out.
Powder coated. I mean, everything's been powder coated, Frankie. So big shout out to Chubby Low Fabrications up in Sydney, and bit of panhard action,
Look at
Frankie.
this for a panhard right here.
Oh my
You're not
god.
going to know yourself with adjustability. You can move the diff left and right and up
That's
and
right.
down. And
Yep. Excellent. And for all our geometry we're going to be putting into this car, Frankie, adjustability is your friend.
oh yes.
So we're going to put this diff in. That is going to be good fun for a couple of blokes on a Saturday. So we're going to put that under a jack, and we've got our new lower trailing arms there in. And again, they're all boxed in. Chubby's done a great job on that too. Brand new white line of bushes in here. So Frankie and I are going to manoeuvre the diff here, get a jack under it, put it into these control arm or trailing arms, and then
Believe it or not, these are not the springs we're going to use. We're just going to
no.
stick it in with this, measure the height of the car, and then we're going to get some IBEC springs that are the right height.
Oh, very nice, Frankie.
Yes, much better.
Much better. Now, those springs and conies will then match our fronts as well. So, Frankie, let's turn the camera off and we'll take the viewers through when we've got the diff under this car. Let's go. Oh, Frankie, you're rolling around on Grandma's blanket there.
You bet.
Oh, so you put the diff in, Frankie, and that was good fun.
Yeah, just connected up our lower control arms. Now we're going to sit our springs in here.
Right.
Hopefully they sit there. Pop our top control arms in, and Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. And no tail shaft yet, Frankie, so we're free willy.
That's for you.
All right, okay. So they're your standard springs. We don't have any spring insulators. It's going to be metal on metal, Frankie, but that's okay because it's only
We're
for
not
a
driving
mock-up.
anywhere. We're just measuring, so
Yep.
somehow they've got to go in there.
Right. And,
Well,
oh, okay. Yep. Trap for young players, Frankie, is to line up those trailing arm bolts. That's good fun.
yeah, nothing you ain't done before.
No, I'm all good with angles. That's all good. All right. Well, let's go put our upper trailing arms in our little brackets here, and we will get stuck back into it. Oh, Frankie, you're jacking away here. You're pretty good at that. Very nice.
Diff's in.
Diff is in. Oh, look at this, Frankie. Look at this diff. Your springs are in. You're jacking the diff back up, Frankie. For what purpose now?
We're going to put some wheels on it, take these jacks out and put it sitting on the way to the car.
Okay. Well, and again, they aren't our springs that we're going to keep for good. We're just using that to mock it up. Lower trailing arm is in. Look at the height of those stands there, Frankie. Look at them. Trailing arms are in, upper and lower. There's the lower one there. Upper one through there. And that's good fun. We'll just mock that bolt up there just so we can get some alignment here, Frankie.
Yep.
But this is good fun, isn't it? Without a hoist.
You bet.
Yep, righto. Frankie, Are you sure you've got a lock, Diff?
Well, there's no slop of those ones, is it? Definitely.
It's a go-kart,
locked together.
It's locked together. Look at that.
I'll light the bags up.
Oh, Jesus. Well, we don't support those sorts of activities on the channel, Frankie. We're very responsible.
I meant out of the corner at Wakefield.
Oh, okay. Yes. I thought so. Yes. No, good. It's good having a variety of different stands, isn't it? Yes. That one is particularly interesting.
I want to use that one again.
No, all your blocks of wood. No.
Never used them.
No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what that is. All good, Frankie. That's all good. All right, so you're about to lower it down slowly, Frankie.
Yeah.
Go slow, please. You see our handbrake cable sitting there? Oh, very nice, Frankie. Oh, contact. Oh, okay. Well, that was particularly uneventful. No
Very
spring.
high in the rear, isn't it?
Oh, well, there the. No dampening, Frankie. That's what.
That's true.
Oh, it's like a pogo stick.
Like you did when we first got it.
Yes, that's well. Was that a Mandalorian or a Protector of the Galaxy or? Don't know what.
Sucking me into those ones.
You're a shit stirrer, you are. All right, Frankie. So, hey, what are we doing next?
You're going to measure the height of the guard from your centre of your axle.
Oh, is that right? Because I think Chubby needs to know what sort of springs we need.
Exactly.
Okay. Right, well, why don't we do that? I'll go get a pen and paper and Mrs. Fred's best... Oh, Frankie, have a look at our scoreboard down here.
I don't think I want to, do I?
No. Well, maybe you tell all the viewers... Well, Top Gear have got their sort of Stig sort of board, but what have you got here? Take us through the tracks and the different...
Well, this bloke needs to move up a few.
Okay.
But the main thing is we've got to get to
He's
a few...
particularly fast at Pheasantwood in a Lancer, that bloke.
Well, not too bad, but
No.
there is another guy,
Look at this bloke here.
unfortunately.
No, he's got some spiders on him, that bloke. He's pretty quick. And Diesel's getting there, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
106 in the Mirage. He's doing 59.8 at Luddenham. And Alex Albon, he's steaming up the pedestal there, isn't he?
Oh, soon he'll be living up to Alain Prost, won't he?
Oh, possibly, Frankie. Yes. All right, let's... well, what do you say we're doing? We're going to measure the guards.
You are.
Okay, let's go. Well, Frankie, it's Commodore Saturday here. We've been working on the VP, and now you're on to a 7-litre race car.
Yeah, it's not every bloke working on their 427
No.
LS motor, is it?
Oh, so what's the plan for today, Frankie? Bit of maintenance?
Yeah, we just need to drop the oil out of it, have a little look, see if there's anything that shouldn't be in there.
Right.
So far there's not, so
Okay.
happy with that. Put a filter on it.
Very good. We were just keeping an eye on our coolant levels and stuff, and yes, we had a bit of fun on the dyno at one point, but I think she's all sealed up now, and full forged rotating assembly, Frankie, and we'll be heading to Wakefield when it opens up.
Hopefully.
Oh,
This will
Jesus.
sound nice at Wakefield, won't it?
Oh, hopefully I don't get pinged on sound, Frankie.
Wow.
No, you don't want that. No. So how much oil does a 427 motor take, Frankie?
Well, not exactly sure, but somewhere around 7 litres,
Ooh.
which is a good number for
Yeah.
a 7-litre engine.
And what oil are you running in Clooney?
I've got no clue.
I think it's a 1060 Castrol, I think.
Okay.
Oh, hopefully that's Gentech's finest, I think. So we'll get a bit of that into it. And yeah, we'll be happy days, Frankie. So let's get stuck in. You've got her jacked up and she's dribbling out nicely. So yeah, we've got a new filter ready to go. Might need 2 hands on that one, Frankie.
See how we go. Hopefully I can just crack it.
Oh, okay, righto. Let's go. All right, Clooney Garage fans, it's getting a bit late in the evening here. We have just finished putting our diff in. And yeah, we've mocked up everything, getting ready for our next steps. So hopefully you enjoyed our fitment video today. You'll notice that we've still got a massive void there, and we're going to be filling that with a 100-litre Endurance Group A drop tank. And as you can see, all our diff is in, rear suspension by and large is in, except for our new, obviously, Coney adjustable shocks and our new IBAC springs that are coming. But yeah, we just mocked it up at the standard springs at the moment so we can get the ride height right, but she's starting to look good. So on that note, Clooney Garage fans, new episode coming in about a week when we go through more of the front geometry and brakes. See you then. Catch ya.